You see, when we do small gist, I'll play the video. See, audio boy now. See the boy. Very useless boy. One of the most useless Edo person for diaspora. Let be this. See, as now say for here, so you not get document, you not go school, you not learn handwork, nothing. What this boy sabi for his life, nothing. Very, very useless boy. Very useless. When you say NFA, no future ambition. NFA now see for here. So this boy, sir, this boy, NFA, no future ambition. This boy don't get wetin he dey plan. Say if they break, this is my plan. This is what I want to achieve. When this their madness starts, first they go disgrace themselves on social media. They will come out. They'll say a saga. They'll say a prank. So when this one starts, as I first see in the future, I say this people don't see the 5 views again. I can't see the videos. The guy first do one in the afternoon. They lay calls on the wife. They swear, he won't kneel down for road. I say, woman, it don't like a woman will born 4 children for you. Now they swear. Even went as far as saying, telling the world that the woman take go do prostitution. Your own wife has to go do prostitution for Czech Republic. Cause okay, make I just still watch. First, my not agree they watch all these people. So say, what did they watch for? I say, this boy, now he say, he go fifth join at Kobe. Fight me. Now he they share all the Akobe. See, you see that juju where Akobe carry come out in? Everybody went near Akobe. The way una life want a fikoto. The way una life want a fikoto. If you live your ike, if you and they know if you live your asunu, you need to video. I don't go worse. I don't gini ya gbele ya dani. You ni ite boni die. Cause you me on money. Gini ya gbele ya dani ruda kobe. She will hear me. So I couldn't listen to them. Amen. I pity the woman. I pity the wife, Mama Nora. Because looking at this boy, nobody, even people where they hail her, nobody will ever pray make his sister marry this guy NFA. NFA. No future ambition. He's only popular for dragging people, saying you see them be this king of saga. Say, that is the Baba Saga. That is the Saga na life. Saga na life. I ask you now, say you don't come and drag this one. Hey, Monica. Hey, this one. Hey, this one. Is that one life? A man. How your wife want to respect you? Say the only time when you get money now when you saga people, wives, women like her will constantly send you money. Imagine the way me day now. How my wife want to respect me? If she knows that now women they send me money for us to chop. No woman respects a lazy man. No woman respects a lazy man. No matter how much your wife gets, you be the man to run the house. Be the one to run the house. Please, guys, share this video. I'm sure he's here because they never sleep. No matter the money where your wife did make, whether the government they give them this thing, thank God. Say even as me and my wife and children, we don't even get to government benefits. Government only pay my children. They only do one thing because even for our visa, they let us say will not get access to public funds. We must work. This afternoon, I told my staff for our platform, I said, last month we passed, so I will not pay their salary. You know why? They are working. They are not talking about their work. They are not doing videos. They are not doing publicity. And CFO job, real estate job, the more you talk about your business, the more the clients they come. I told them, I said, I will not pay your salary. Even if I pay your salary, I will not pay your commission. Until I shout for live video, jobs don't they come. When I go do jobs, now I go do application, I go do video, put out online, make people see what they do. No woman respects a lousy, lazy man. Enogie is the, for a very long time, I know say the boy useless. I've never liked the boy for anything. Even as useless as Eddie Murphy, sometimes I don't feel say Eddie Murphy gets sense past the boy. Very useless. You don't think what Moses said? Or what Zorin and more, but so useless. People they blame the wife. I saw the wife lousy. I saw the wife this one. See, if an irresponsible man marry woman, we fair they talk. Woman will not fair get shame. You will make the whole thing about the woman worse. For the woman to talk say, that means she has done prostitution before. So how you expect? Make she get shame. The man don't know what the woman fair do before the useless boy talk say one marry her. So me, I don't blame the woman. The woman get she get her own for body. But the guy is useless. The guy is childish. Very childish. Imagine one of the videos say his wife they beat the children. If he won't beat them, the wife will say no. Make him not beat them. So now competition now to beat children. Oh God. No. So if your wife they beat your children, so now your own this to also beat them. She will not see all the people they identify with. I told people, anybody who want to see with Akobe, they are failures. Because Akobe not be human being. Anybody wake up, say Akobe they a chairman. It's one not say the person self still useless. And the person want be useless. When like Akobe. Now, Eddie Murphy. Now, another very stupid person. In fact, Eddie Murphy and Enogie. See, commenters, more talking for the comment section. Eddie Murphy and Enogie, who useless pass. If na Enogie, type Enogie. If na Eddie Murphy, type Eddie Murphy. Oh yeah, nah. Eddie Murphy, more could talk this in sharp. I don't want to make this broadcast too long. Eddie Murphy and Enogie, who useless pass, the two of them. Okay. I don't see una comment. Some say Eddie Murphy, some say we. The truth of the matter is, if you look at Ewi's age, I don't want to call her Enogie. If they abuse this thing, I feel the association of Enogie should also petition him to drop that name. Because not be name, his name is Richard Osadiaye. If they abuse that Enogie this thing, maybe they call her Ewi. I feel Ewi still gets sense past Eddie Murphy. I believe Eddie Murphy is more useless. Because looking at Eddie Murphy's age, if you check Eddie Murphy's age and Ewi age, let's assume say Ewi still get time to mature. But the way Eddie Murphy did, Eddie Murphy is already foolish for life. Till Eddie Murphy go die, he will remain foolish. Let's assume say Ewi never reach 40 years. I'm very sure say the boy never reach 40 years. Eddie Murphy saying not past 50 and he's useless at his age. Though a foolish youth will still grow to be a foolish elder. So when you come pay me now, when I say Eddie Murphy and the wife go Enogie house, say they want to go settle the matter. I say they just scatter the because they can't meet the woman, they do live video for TikTok. The woman they talk for TikTok, we they hear I won't buy the woman gift for TikTok self to calm her down, make she relax. So the woman they lament. Now woman, any man who they follow woman talk. You know if you will women for talk. You know how you will wake up. I believe say the only woman for my life where I don't believe say I feel win for argument is my wife. I don't get straight to talk. But I know your face. But I don't get straight. That one, me they win my wife. I don't know about your wife. If me you're the beginner, she go, you look me like this, look me like this, look me like this. So you climb up, go like that, they press phone. Or if me they up, she go come down. Me will come talk. She know you mind me. Me I they win my wife. But I know say there are women you cannot win in a marital argument. Once there is marital conflict like this, you can't win them. So watching that video, you don't get the way that woman will take quiet, make Enogie, they talk. Next time we see Eddie Murphy and Enogie enter the house. Eddie Murphy's wife first started to insult the woman. Who there? Where? You know those guys? Elder sister or senior woman level. I say, either boys are. This woman is in pains. She's hot. You can't come out be forming that elder sister package or person we don't take for marriage experience level. First thing you need to do, it was ose. You know Moses say that. The boy, what's on the never live video. Stop that. It was a. Oh now I made the woman. It were dirty talking at you. The live video now you. Hey, bomb where? Woman there. You don't do that. Oh, I feed her. She's hot. She's a woman. She don't hear very hurtful things. The man don't talk your thing come out from mouth. You know, expect me she just calm like that. I just come on say since they don't there. Only for me to watch this video. I'm gonna watch this video. Because Eddie Murphy and his wife don't still fool themselves many times. Eddie Murphy be like Eddie Murphy be like rag for where it's okay day. Eddie Murphy has been very, very foolish. Same with Soke. It's okay, don't do live video, they insult the papa and the mama. They insult the papa. But Bizwa don't come and confront full family say, hey, you'll be okay. The doctor knows how it's okay. Mama tell you where you are, when Bobizwa they pursue her. Bobizwa don't come, Eddie Murphy don't come and saga his father-in-law, Bobizwa. So Eddie Murphy has done, imagine Eddie Murphy going to that kind of house, say one go settle there. When Eddie Murphy and Enogie don't saga themselves. Enogie don't let us in sleep with Eddie Murphy wife. Edo way or won't be one will block the back here. As in Adazem back here, also back here. Enogie and Eddie Murphy are the most foolish Edo people in Germany. And they told them they support Akobe. And Akobe is the godfather of all the foolish musicians. So when I see Eddie Murphy go there, and I say, Eddie Murphy don't fit solve this problem. Because you know why? Eddie Murphy and Enogie now fake smiles. This was saying it's not like my papa, they don't say that his son. And the two don't first saga themselves. Let me tell you something. They not born you well to saga me mercilessly. It can never happen. I don't go back to my vomit. So when I say the two of them settle, I say, this people they're foolish so. As I when if you really get to settle with a place, she don't say she did very stupid. Say, I don't forget the time when they support the like when she go river, go swear for her head. That's why I'll never take her serious. Because she wanted to be doing a fight for her bath, so that if she still run into trouble, me will constantly fight for her. I don't do saga. I don't do kokogbe. Anytime she want to drag Obazee, she want to drag me inside. Now, this boy is very, very foolish. This boy is the most foolish human being. Eboya la kobemu la dia. See, he don't bounce back. The last time, they don't let Akobe perform for Italy. When Akobe ime kabaka sene kabaka moe marriage ni kabaka mamule kabaka na munu yi. Utavi soke ino ya play bali wena. Kabaka Akobe yi ku bedo. Owa Akobe kaseva Akobe ka tie the family. Ya wado play free. And so we Matemo have ne bossy. The real big boys ayimu Akobe. Because all those who know ye a boy Hawago, Kabaka still know. Kabaka no, and then the Kabaka Akobok Benia. Kabaka Mamu Kulinakobe, because a Kabaka no say big boys will come. Akobe must feeling ye only have me. And we talent now one guy where they use the sense. As a guest video or alien but egg Belgoga Kobe. Akobe do atalo you way. Wa blocking ye. Wa kuwe dego malikuna. Wa nene wa pamodere. Ni dege malikuna ore no. Ewalo wa mu on board titi. No polia. Neni do fit. Neni pare kana kure ni do fit nye. Ogwalo. So all the juju way Akobe carry commander. This miserable boy. This useless boy. A boy like a poster. Gag moenia. The only hope when you fit get document, the woman now, doctor say it is the end of the road for you. We here make a document here now, you know. More than listen.
Ya to do what don't know you. But when you may ye, I don't want to be a good belief. As I be so, I will never ever in my life go back again. A black person knew why you go away. Why the video of my merely a pie, father, you won't buy. You do what don't know. But you know that I'm a power early life. The hatred Nora is forever and is forever. Don't walk back, no representer, don't walk back, no representer. Never that way I'm gonna life. Why am I there? So for that reason. Because what one of the machine, why so no call him machine, typical wa, boy man yakamuwa. Yes, here got the one where one love the family way. But from today, area is finished. Let her go with the man of her choice. The man is going to the man and go and be. He settle with her for as far we your call a love video. As far we your call a love video. When Madam, as far as we don't call that video, anytime, no y'all laugh. Yeah, wow, that video. For those of you that are disappointed in me, I'm sorry.
And we are disappointed.
Anytime she goes on live to talk about me, I will go on my live to talk about her.
Mama.
That's me for you. Then you make it when you get now the president. You're married, you or my camera, a party, or don't want you. You're not in a part because of a truth. And more coming. Then more coming. The first time she go on live, then me and Monica will be friends that time. Monica I went prank. Oh hey, but on that jam, if I jam, oh my baba, I don't know.
Now this guy is making me laugh. Imagine person will say, and the muffin like father. The muffin so say. May I tell you, I get very few chairmen. All my chairmen, they don't really reach 10. I get very few chairmen. They are quality people. Where to do people. Ikpe ano yogo no wokia. Ikpe ano zero wa. Ikpe anigba ogo mo. You can't be irresponsible and be my friend. You can't be irresponsible and be my chairman. Everybody met here, chairman me. I learn from them. I learn from them. So anybody looking to hear a demofia with chairman, the person is a fool. You don't wake up say, when the demofia you say as foolish as a demofia where demofia a chairman where you're a daddy way, then you are foolish. Boss, I agree to sir. The children are so traumatized. They are traumatized. That's the truth. So he said the movie like daddy. These same people, they don't saga themselves for this every doctor say he don't sleep with the Murphy wife. Or we are regular the Murphy, he take it. I see very useless. Why is he here? Here when they are to they get to the Murphy waiting money in here. They are to walk. And some of them when they are abroad, who are getting money they go to. Any year was 0 year. In just now we are when they were married. This irresponsible boy. What are we that should be? That day before friend knows say this boy don't get sense. You want to do elaborate marriage, you don't have a document. Just because we get people who don't get sense, when we say anything, they get money, anything they remain for the how person we head correct? And the muffin and we bug be the guy, the muffin no your bar, and the muffin no roll ye guy. No few give who wait this my father. So Eddie Murphy don't lead this boy astray. Eddie Murphy has destroyed this boy. No, Emi Logbe wa be yore na we ya boezo. Emi Logbe. Best we go you come and insult on normal way anything. Okpeni ebe so ni say akwo na ya be gun na near. They say, how about you? How about you? Ya what you want do a Deco. A Deco mighty campaign. Deco is scared of me. Ni do kawe na mo ni Deco kai o maze bona se o ma ke Deco gwan. E be na support the Deco wo mo se Deco to gwan gbagba because a mistake no ma ro e go e doloi. Fear not let them is campaign because of Abatobaze they fear me. The fear of Azua is the beginning of wisdom. So why would this boy wake up and say, oh, said the Murphy, my daddy. I watch when I will hear, when I will see what happen for this video. I the more fit go scatter the waiting remain for a we marriage. The more people will hear a saga. Yagbe.
Last the no say no na ade. You know so no but ningwa you know so no okpadino but aye gun ayo wa ningwa ya fe wa lerun yo ona we keka Enogie omono eti ji ono but we ho in a way but omakeke nukuwa ha we you wa talking na do utagmona anu bi aneko e savati bia eya but here na gbe
Shebuna see why I just say this Eddie Murphy is a very useless. This Oboka is a very useless boy. Very useless. You see, husband and wife get crisis. They quarrel. Maybe we not try to appeal to both parties. No work. With what Eddie Murphy is saying now, how that woman will feel? Woman will don't give birth to 4 children. That woman is stressed. I'm a poor master not film. I'm a dog master a win holding muyowa. She's stressed. Now Eddie Murphy is saying the woman they want they feel like or talking to do. Say women are servants. See, our wives, if Emily Logbe is your servant, my wife is my partner. Oh, I'm a partner man, no. She's my partner. She can never be my servant. My wife is my partner. My wife can never be my servant. Eddie Murphy no soon with the never. Eddie Murphy knew you were a sefai. How can you go to somebody's house or wanezoyi where the wife na servants? Our wives are not servants. My mother not be servant to my papa. So my wife not be servant to my wife is my partner. Ekenina zona zekena yona ekena dukmona de. When he me card, when he me access to our phone, it have access to my phone, a password me ya toy ya, she have direct access to everything will concern me. Direct access. Our wife is they are our partners. They are not servants. Whatever the Murphy now ginger a boy now, a boy on a soul kind of be. Wanna watch.
When I hear the dance scene, Okoni with the woman, any baby you cry, on your paya gwegu, you know one walao, why you guma little yo, walao, boyong. You know we say, one not a man please.
When I get the Murphy will not go here. As it not saga over because this boy they actually saga your wife. Eddie Murphy did there. Eddie Murphy wife there. The woman is there. It clear say Eddie Murphy can go here. If not carry marriage or zona. I'm very sure we are going on the marriage in the hold. Because when I go here where the woman, when you make this boy begin to bounce the wife, Mama Nora come out. Because the woman can't say Eddie Murphy they join the man, they throw words at her. She can't work out come parlor. She can't work clear. The Murphy say, a boy that we you know man like you where or tell me we already done. So the things where this boy they talk for Eddie Murphy back, the wife the one cast this guy. Make the woman not go talk what she not supposed talk. Make the woman go say, "Hey, no get away. Yeah, when you made the man how way." Now Enogie started a week yet it why it Enogie a week come begin the bossy wife make she no go talk the things when they talk against Eddie Murphy The guy they gossip Eddie Murphy where they don't like themselves. Eddie Murphy said don't like the Prøvoke said don't like this Ewe.
Wame kenina gbata. Wame le TV anade. No don't ever see me say she come on live video. Ona do atale me na we live here. But TV I too much dey. O me no je. O wora eri me nya. O we eri mo say. Ma agui the best place to go is to social media. Wage. Made to get a buwewa. Made me love you, say. Made to buwewa. Made me love you, say. Made me a buwewa. Made me bring me here, Variana. Oh, Woloda be a Kikiwe, Yakikiweba. Uroya, Kido Wano.
I beg, Mona, wait. My manager there online. I need to give her no. On Tuesday, we are doing our Oge parade for Ring Road. See, this is my group. We just design our own graphic design. Oge Marshal. This is my group. And we are meeting with the gather for front of Obazee Cultural Center for Airport Road. From there, with all our members who come march go Ring Road, we want to do the parade. So now my manager there online, so in the design the graphics. So I need to just reply her. So this is Oge Marshals. So in case you are joining the Marshals on that very day, just be at Obazee Cultural Center by 7 a.m. because the main parade at 9 o'clock. So for that, we'll gather ourselves, do what we need to do, DJ, share our materials for the parade. We need to send a clear message to Abuja that Edo cannot be rigged. Oshomole cannot be the godfather of Edo. Oshomole saying already bury godfatherism. When he do, and then he godfatherism burial for Ring Road. So let me just send him a voice note. So this picture of the both of them one side for the banner, then my own picture one side, of course, Aswa Igodalo Marshals. Then they just put very bold Edo election cannot be rigged. Edo election cannot be rigged. Just look for something around rigging, because that's the message. We need to send a clear message to people that are planning to come rig Edo election. You see, Shemuna here.
We're not that bad. We're not over making on my year. And I was not what I told you. Told her. You understand? Okay. The last year, on the live video here, Facebook, not before last year, early this year too. On allow in a remove on the macabre loud. Maragui, and next thinking is Enoyati, yeah. And next thinking Enoyati, Magabuwa, Noya la video. Emmanuel Buriani, you have a body. You got a la video. You are fully man. Who can also, or we are be, cannot be where one and be. May not conclude, me will conclude, say, sit down, please. Me will conclude, say, you might want. You know, say that. You know, say that. So what? The market, or when I sat down, well, once I down, no problem. Well, no one supporting the vote, supporting it. No one supporting the vote, supporting it. Yes. You will abandon the children. Yes, leave the phone. You will abandon the children. You will abandon the children. The biggest mistake I've ever made in my life is to know this woman. You understand? understand?
Facebook now.
Ema bu no your my Facebook. Here you making me out. Nye mana yes school ni. Nye mana yes school na you not do yoga ya. Okay. So on ma no we ya yoga no. Benu bere na pa. A mi la video na ge. Usana su. No na we la we podo. We sana boa. Because of a new way. Osena Bewa Oguna down. She's my baby mama and no longer my wife. I cannot disrespect Papa. What's the matter? Well supported. Yes, of course. Yes. Well, why they disappointed in me? Because my second Marino. Social media. Yeah, you go, man. My Baba Pierre and I say, go here and go give me. And me, I know you can't know where I'll send up. When I walk, go who are worrying, yea, give no yata, a day, and you see now my walk Baba was. So there I wear of Baba, what I wear, and look you wear, I said, I Baba, not a very online. Why, my yeah, you're not boy. But how are you? There are one, no? You want for me?
To tell na when Agmorifi and the Murphy say, and the Murphy go there, go settle, and the Murphy is so kind of. And the Murphy, ukia sungu, the Murphy. It's all Agmodegbe, all of una wani dene, wani dene, Agmodegbe mawa. Ave o 1 o 2, edi mi oyan regbene, akobe mi oyan regbene, ewi, owo kan, we, actually vie, orike, o wara I choke. The house is already tensed. The husband and wife already get that this thing. When I quit no na ya anwanyo. Definitely, as the guy don't drink, now little things go trigger the anger in the system. Why if I want when you sing, when I want bomb, when I want bomb and sing so.
Wait, they saga.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
When you're saga. Oh, la love you are wepa. You didn't do more. Single respect. Emi bunyata.
Now little. No say, we to say, in want my wife. Say, or say, na bewa. Then, ha. Dinomeme. Awe mi lo gbe. When I do 10 the same way, and the same one see away, akakaya wa won say they drink akbe. Say na kakai ow. Say not be like that. Now the boy don't hide. The woman now want come out to come tell the Murphy the secret. Since where they talk for the Murphy back. When I watch what you want happen. A border. Wait. A border. Na Kobeya tie. Don't they bounce back? He will swallow Akobe and all his supporters. Easy or more your word they know. All word they know. Kowori gbene na Akobe. Hana mi already there. Ya ye mi bodo ya ti Akobe. Akobe is my godfather. Imune gbe mo enenia. A boat down. All those different shit I need to ya ati ebo because no goka happens there. A Boris a Gualamoris second year bola take off. Bounce back. All the way a day you want Kobe. Day you want in there here. Day you want Enogie. Enogie a we it Enogie. Cause the juju that bad. I'm a bodal and I will make it. See I make 80 and give me the kitana. Look at the trauma. Look at what they are making the innocent children go through. Hi! She did. Oh, God. Now, so, Jamie, they tolerate couples fighting. You can't try this one in UK. Oh. For the few time we don't stay here. I also say anywhere, even for village, where this kind of thing, where this kind of noise fit come aside for this UK. I saw Jamie be. Akobeke ke ave kakos oge e hue shame. Ya we said the akobe na akuwe na kabaka party choke big boys carry come out. Akobe no we go ya ku. Cause agbaye ni imini go mo akobedi ya. Useless. E bodan akobe mu la dia. O backfire le ni ya. When the movie we enter with police here. As in the kids, when I watch this video this evening, now let me say, may I do this video. I wish I feel flag go Jamie. Wait, when they no get city, I don't think go use police bundle this boy this night, make they collect the kids from them. When I see why Oibo they collect black people kids. And one lawyer and I tell me for this UK say, he said, Oibo, what do you concern your children? He said, you think government, they appreciate that they use government money to take care? He said, no, but they don't want you to maltreat those children. They don't want those children to have that trauma. Because if they grow, imagine this Enogie children, how they will be for the society tomorrow. Violence will just be normal to them because they don't see her. Or will never see me, they shout for your mama once. Ukinebolo ever see her. I didn't just say maybe for a movie. Or whenever, or we not believe say husband and wife they fight because they've never seen it here. And by grace of God, I say it will beat two of them will come up for this house, say they don't marry. So tomorrow, if maybe Owen and the wife can't get issue, maybe I can't hear say Owen touch your wife. I will not come say, all through the time when you take growth for this house, you see me touch your man. He will say no. These children now, if they not collect time from this Enogie and the wife, these children, they are going to be back where. A boy, a really no give, will be a big Enogie. The movie tie. Yes, Mr. Because the movie and the movie said don't drink anything. You know what kind of
Bàbá ọlọ́run ẹ̀gbẹ́. Wọ́n á dẹ́gbẹ̀ wọ̀. Wọ́n kọ́ kí a gbọ́ ẹ̀. The man. Tẹ́bọ̀ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ kò ní. Wọ́n fi ẹ̀ fi ẹ̀. Wọ́n fi ẹ̀. Sorry. Ògbó gbé president yà. Say.